Hey guys, so this video is my maintenance vlog, y'all. Today is August 15th. My birthday is in 4 days and I get my hair done today, so I'm gonna be vlogging me getting my hair done and stuff like that. I get my nails and stuff done on Thursdays. That's about it so y'all, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm on the way to the hair store. Okay y'all, so I'm in the car right now. Let me turn this down because I ain't trying to get copyrighted, but I'm in the car right now and we're gonna go to the hair store. But basically y'all, this is a maintenance vlog for my birthday, a birthday maintenance vlog. And yeah, so I have to make a stop. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys at the hair store.
Baby, no wind, this cat nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight a flight, nigga, win this cat. She fight a flight, ran away out of here. For the flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, this ass ready to down my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up when I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger.
I'm in the hair store. For my hair clean. Hot piece.
I keep me no funny, no matter what I'm in. I touch her ass, she don't think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you kept me win. Niggas can't see me, ain't no competition. Too many bracelets, no hold on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I'm about to eat, I can feel with a kid. She had a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, this ass ready to down my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than cat.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day of this maintenance vlog. And my hair is done. I did not record it getting done. But y'all, this is the style that I styled it. It's very cute. It's simple. It's gonna eat. But y'all, let me tell y'all what today is. August 16th and my birthday is August 19th. I got 2 more days to my birthday. And y'all, tomorrow I will be getting my nails and my toes done. I don't care. So I'll be getting my toes and my nails done tomorrow. But then I would just think about getting my toes done, because yeah. But I'm gonna just get my nails and my toes done. So far that's half of everything. And then I got my school supplies over there. And then I wait for my Shein to come in the mail. If y'all can't see. So yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth and get myself together, and then I'm gonna come back on camera.
Baby, this ain't easy. You know I've been feeling.
change positions. Now stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me, stroke it for me. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Cause you give me where I'm going. And show you get my vote. Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close.
Hey y'all, so I got my toes done today, and I believe this is just gonna be the end of this video. I just got my toes done, my eyebrows, and my hair done. That's really about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.